Hi everybody and welcome back to Hardware Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the JLAB Rewind Retro 2 top tricks. So at first, as you can see on the screen, we have the official application which is called JLAB. In this application we can manage all our headphones settings. And as for the settings, we have in our headphones the equalizer. If we click on equalizer, we can see that we have the custom one, EQ3 preset, EQ2 preset, and EQ1 preset. As you can see, the first one is JLAB signature, the second one is bass, and the third one is bass boost. Apart from that, we have a lot of controls and gestures, and we can manage these controls and gestures here. Apart from that, we have the safe hearing option, and we can limit the volume level of our headphones, either 95 decibels limit or 85 decibel limit, or we can of course set the default value, which is 0 limit. And of course we have a Bluetooth in these headphones, so we don't have to use them using the cable. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day.